Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps to set up your very own crypto account on an exchange. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to expand your portfolio, this guide will help you get started in just a few minutes. First, you need to choose a cryptocurrency exchange. Popular choices include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. These platforms are user-friendly and secure, making them ideal for new users. For this comprehensive guide, we'll be using Coinbase as our primary example. Once you've selected your exchange, head over to their website or app and click on Sign Up. You'll need to provide your full name, email address, and a strong password. Make sure your password is unique and secure. After entering your details, agree to the terms and conditions, then hit Create Account. Next, you'll need to verify your identity. This is a standard procedure across all reputable cryptocurrency exchanges. This step is crucial for your security and to comply with regulations. It helps prevent fraud and ensures that the platform remains safe for all users. The exchange will prompt you to upload a government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license. Make sure the document is clear and all details are visible. Once uploaded, you'll likely need to take a selfie or video to confirm it's really you. This additional step helps the exchange verify that the ID belongs to you. This process may take a few minutes or up to 24 hours depending on the exchange. Be patient, as this is an important step to secure your account and funds. Security is key in the crypto world. Without proper security measures, your assets could be at risk. After your identity is verified, set up two-factor authentication or 2FA to add an extra layer of security to your account. This step is crucial as it significantly reduces the chances of unauthorized access. This usually involves linking your account to a mobile authenticator app like Google Authenticator. These apps generate time-sensitive codes that you need to enter along with your password. Additionally, consider using a password manager to keep your login details secure. A password manager can generate and store complex passwords, making it easier to manage multiple accounts without compromising security. Finally, it's time to fund your account. This is a crucial step in your cryptocurrency journey. Add a payment method such as a bank account or debit card to ensure you can easily transfer money. Once you've added your payment method, deposit funds into your exchange account. This will allow you to start trading. Once your funds are available, you can start buying your first cryptocurrency. Remember to start small, do your research, and understand the market. Always remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Stay informed and keep learning to make wise investment decisions. Congratulations! You've just set up your first crypto account. Now you're ready to explore the world of cryptocurrency trading and investing. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more crypto tips and tutorials. Happy trading!